Hey creators and filmmakers, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse built for serious cinematography, the Blackmagic Design Pyxis 6K full-frame cinema box camera, Canon EF mount edition. If you're a content creator, indie filmmaker, or commercial videographer looking to level up your production quality, this beast deserves your attention. Let's start with what makes the Pyxis 6K stand out. This isn't just a camera, it's a full-frame, box-style cinema rig that delivers stunning 6K resolution with 13 stops of dynamic range. Blackmagic's color science is top-tier, and the camera supports Blackmagic RAW and ProRes, so whether you're shooting for post-heavy workflows or quick delivery, it's built for flexibility. This model supports Canon EF lenses, giving you access to an enormous selection of high-quality glass. And unlike DSLRs or mirrorless hybrids, the Pyxis is built from the ground up for pro video. Think internal ND filters, multiple mounting points, a rugged aluminum chassis, and a massive range of pro connectivity: full-size HDMI, 12G SDI out, USB-C for direct recording, and dual mini XLR audio inputs. One of the most powerful features, its compatibility with CFexpress Type B cards, and yes, this bundle includes a fast 256GB card. That's essential for handling high bitrate 6K footage without bottlenecks. Add the included rugged hard case, lens cap, cleaning kit, and card wallet, and you've got a ready-to-roll field kit. Blackmagic also includes their powerful DaVinci Resolve Studio software, making your post-production workflow ultra-smooth from shoot to edit to grade. If you're shooting commercials, documentaries, music videos, or narrative content, this camera brings cinematic depth, flexibility, and professional-grade features at a price that undercuts major cinema rivals. Ready to upgrade your gear? The link is below. Be sure to subscribe for more pro-level tech reviews from Gadgetverse, and let us know in the comments what you'd shoot first with the Pyxis 6K.